Hello there, my friends. iPhone 13 Pro Max here. I am having difficulties with adjusting to the iPhone. I switched from an Android. If you're like me and you're a recently switched or new user to iPhone, there's an interesting thing that happens. So Apple generously gives you 5 gigabytes of storage space on iCloud. But what happens is your phone is set to default to back up photos and contacts and your schedule and all that sort of thing to the iCloud. Oh, by the way, smash like for me. It helps me a lot in the first minute. And also, so that fills up really quickly, especially for me because I take movies. The whole reason I got this phone was because of the amazing camera and the movies, taking videos. So, and being able to edit those videos actually on the phone. But anyway, that takes up a lot of space. So I keep getting these alerts, or I kept getting these alerts that said iCloud storage almost full, you know. And so what do? I just kept getting this series of alerts. Well, Apple wants you to use the easy solution, which is to buy more storage. But I don't like doing things, you know, feeling like I'm doing them at the point of a gun, you know. So I'm going to consider other options for that. And when I find those out, and if anybody has suggestions, put them in the comments. But here's my temporary solution for that, getting rid of that alert. So I went to settings and I looked for, you know, iCloud down here and I didn't find it. And I was like, well, what's going on? So it turns out you got to press your Apple ID right up here. And you guys can see my moniker. That's fine. I'm going to cover this once I press it because I don't necessarily want, you know, the 10 people that are going to watch this video to have my iCloud email address. No, I don't really care. I mean, if you really need my help, we'll find a way to contact you. You know, I'll find a way to try to help you. But basically, you're pulling this up, and you can see right here your ID is going to be there, and then your email address will be right underneath it. I don't even know if I exposed it there. But right here it'll say iCloud. So go ahead and press iCloud. And then you'll have a list. It'll show you like what's taking up the storage space in your iCloud. You can see for me it's photos, which is actually videos. You know, it's pictures and videos are included under the name photos. So you can see that that's the majority there. So what you can do is you can hit photos, right? And here it'll say iCloud Photos. So mine was switched on. It won't let me switch it on now because there's not enough storage for all the files that I have on my phone to back up there. So I'll get this error message. But as you can see, if you hit upgrade options, that's what it wants you to do. It'll come up with a screen and it'll say, oh, for only $1 a month, you know, you can give 50 more gigabytes, or for 3 you can get 200 or 2 terabytes for $10 a month. Well, this is a 1 terabyte phone, so you know, I'd have to go for this plan. I don't really want to pay $10 a month at this point extra. Yeah, I know, I'm a cheapskate. So sliding this slider off worked for me. So far, I have not received any more updates about not having enough iCloud storage. So hopefully that works for you too. Now, I know that this may not be a permanent solution, but I'm pretty sure this is going to be a fairly long-ish term solution. If you need a more permanent solution, go ahead and put that in the comments. Ask me a question. I'll see if I can help you with that, because I am looking for a more permanent solution to this problem. And I think I know of a couple, but that would take another video, and I've already taken up too much time. So please, again, smashing a like helps me. If you go back and watch this video, smashing it in the first minute, it's really big. And if you want to see more videos, I upload videos all the time. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications if you want. But you can subscribe to the channel and not hit notifications. That helps me too. And then you won't get a notification every single time I upload. So anyway, thanks for your support. Have a great day, and love to hear from you. Talk to you soon.